We'll go ahead and get started. So on your note sheet, I'm going to teach you how to do a header 1. Header 1 has the code of just H1. Okay, and you can also close that header. If you can guess what the rest of these are, it's going to just be the following. So H2, H3. So what happens is the H1 will be larger than H2, and H2 will be larger than H3, etc. Okay, so I'll let you go ahead and fill those all in. So H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, etc. Now, when you're aligning text, the code is very simple. All you have to do is write left, okay, or center or right. Now, the most important thing about this is that you close your code. So if you wanted to align everything left, but then you want to align something center, if you haven't closed your left code, it'll overpower whatever if you've typed in the center code. Okay, so unless you close it, it won't allow for you to make another adjustment. So go ahead and write these down. So left, center, right, and just make sure that you close them. Now, other things like headings and paragraphs, they need a code that's similar but a little bit different. This code just is align equals left. So if you ever are doing a paragraph, which I'll show you what the paragraph is. So paragraph, see how over here on the right hand side we have text that looks like it was written in a paragraph, right? It's kind of all stuck together. This has the code for a paragraph, and you would have to go the paragraph code align equals left. So let's go ahead and finish it out the note sheet here so you can look at that. Align equals center, and align equals right. Now, to get rid of these ones, so because they're a little bit different, they're in the paragraph tag, all you have to do is close the paragraph for the alignment to be canceled out. And I know it's kind of confusing, but I'll show you when we get to the code. Now, the special characteristics, since we use these in a lot of the coding, in order for them to show up, like as part of our text, our viewable text, we have to type in a special code for those. Okay, and so for this, what they're calling this one is the less than symbol. Okay, so if you ever want this, you'd have to type in and LT semicolon. Okay, that's if you type this in, you will get the less than symbol. Now, if you want the greater than symbol, you would type in the and sign, which is called ampersand, greater than semicolon. I know, weird, right? Now, if you want the actual ampersand, then you're going to type in the and sign, the ampersand, AMP semicolon. Now, if you want the quotation to show, you're going to do ampersand, oh my goodness, ampersand, QUOT. Yeah, that's how it works. Crazy. Okay, now here's that paragraph I was talking to you about. So the paragraph is just P. So actually over here in your notes, I wanted to, or I can just write it down here. If you're going to do the aligning the paragraph, it would look like this. P, align, equals, right. Okay, and then you would just go and close your P. So I'll put that up here too. Okay, so now you should have all the notes. Now if I went too fast, you can pause this and write them all down.